guys, and welcome back to the Tech Fanatic. Today, I got something in the mail that I am super excited about. A pair of chopsticks. Just kidding. I got this. The IFIXIT ProTech Toolkit. That box looks terrible, just like this segue to our sponsor.
The IFIXIT ProTech Toolkit is designed to help you tackle almost any electronics repair challenge. It includes over 13 different tools, including their 64 steel screwdriver bit kit, the Jimmy, a steel flexible blade that allows for powerful prying, and a small suction cup for removing glass panels from a phone or tablet. All IFIXIT tools are backed by a lifetime warranty, so if something breaks, they'll replace it for free. That's how warranties work. And you don't need to be a genius to fix your tools. You just need the right tools. Over at ifixit.com, they've got tons of guides, so pretty much anyone can repair their devices. Go to ifixit.com/Linus and get your ProTech Toolkit today.
Wow, look at that hoodie. Just go to lttstore.com for the best hoodies you can find. Alright, but seriously guys, I got the IFIXIT ProTech Toolkit and I'm going to unbox it for you guys today. Now, this is probably one of the best toolkits that you can buy for DIY electronics fixing. And guess what came in the mail today? And guess what happened to come in the mail? The IFIXIT ProTech Toolkit. Not sponsored. But hey, iFixit, if you want to sponsor me, just send me an email. Okay, after knocking down numerous things on my desk, let's cut this thing open. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Oh, come on. A tablecloth? I could have sworn I ordered the iFixit Toolkit. Oh, come on. Alright, guys. That's it for this video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Just kidding. Here it is. iFixit ProTech Toolkit. You can fix drone cameras, a phone tablet, toys consoles, laptop, desktop, and smart home. Alright, let's open this up. Just slice right there. And right there. And slide it out. Wow, guys, this is such a premium design and experience. Check that out. The iFixIT ProTech Toolkit in all its amazingness. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Look at how cool that suction cup is. Oh, wow, that is stuck to this Mac. Okay. So now what comes in this kit? Comes with a ESD anti-static wrist strap. Some of these weird opening things. I should not have taken that out. Okay. Some reverse tweezers. Some bent tweezers. And these all say ESD safe on them. So these won't be shocking your devices. And then another pair of straight tweezers. These are a bit fatter. A spudger. A slightly flatter spudger with a hook at the end. A metal spudger. and pointy thing. Now, let's just compare this to a cheap Chinese one. So, this one is the iFixit one. This is the cheap Chinese one. You can feel the difference in the metals. This is definitely more premium. This is like a shiny metal, and this is more of a matte. This is significantly lighter. But also the texture is more grippy than this. Surprisingly, actually, this looks very grippy. So this is in a cheap Chinese toolkit that came with like a replacement battery for an iPhone. And then this is the iFixit one. We got some of these picks, which are essentially just a guitar pick with the iFixit logo slapped on them. That way you can open things by sliding that across them. And then this, apparently what's called a jimmy, which this is really good because it slides in between things and can like pretty much do the same as the picks, but with like a metal thing. And this handle feels really nice compared to the other ones that don't even have a handle. Okay, then we get into the screwdriver part. Now this goes all out. This has 64 bits. As you can see the different bits on the iFixit website, or just right here. Okay, so this has, first of all, the driver. Oh wow, that is premium, and look at that spinny thing. So that you can push down on it and spin without turning your whole hand. And then this is actually laser cut. This like casing, I guess you could say, for the bits. It's laser cut, and it looks really nice. And then this is a extension for the screwdriver. So you put that over here, and it's a flexible extension so that you can tighten a screw around a corner. This whole thing has a lifetime warranty, which is really nice because if you strip a bit or something, then they'll replace it for free, forever. And then this is a parch tray, so you can keep your screws in there and keep them safe. And this whole thing just goes back together, like so. And that is the iFixit ProTech Toolkit. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.